Namaste. Welcome to Shama's Travel Life. Today I'm going to talk to you about trekking. Now, trekking is something which is very interesting part of traveling, where you explore everything on your own, going on the mountains and feeling the natural beauty. In the first week of August, I went to this trek called Valley of Flowers in Uttarakhand. So this was quite a dream for me. Like, from many years I was thinking to go about it, but I was not very confident. Even we 1 month in advance. Either you can get into the activities of jogging, running, and brisk walking. That will help you to ascend very easily. I was not completely prepared. I started preparing myself, but yes, I did it. I finally did it, and it was one of the best experience for me to go for it. For any trek, it is important to carry your basic essentials along with you. Whenever you are trekking, it is not always that you will be in a luxury accommodations. Once you're close to nature, you have to be with the nature, and you have to carry your basic essentials like your own towels, your own medicines, and your toiletries, and everything has to be in your backpack. And let me tell you, it is very essential to carry your own bottle whenever you are in a nature. Please try to avoid plastic, because whatever we carry over there, many people I have seen that they dump the plastic in the nature, and I personally feel it is wrong to spoil the nature in this way. So ensure, if you are carrying anything in a plastic, get it back. And in the cities, there are proper there is a garbage management which can be done over there. Those are like small places, villages, base camps, where there might not be a proper garbage system. Everything is dumped into the valleys. So this is wrong. The purity of the nature has to be maintained, and of course you have to follow it. That is back. When you come back from Valley of Flowers, spend some time in Rishikesh. Rishikesh is a holy town near the river Ganga. There are many activities happening in Rishikesh, adventure activities. My tip to you here is, if you are riding a bike, you can hire a bike in the town to go to the places where you want to explore, rather than there are local rickshaws which I will not suggest you at all. uh, See, if you ride a bike, you can go to many places in a day, and it is just 500 rupees per day. I personally had hired a bike, and there were many places which I personally explored. And if you are lucky to get the adventure activities, you have to go little early for the adventure activities. Like there are zip lining options, there is bungee jumping, so all that you can enjoy in Rishikesh. See you in the next video. Namaste, tata, bye bye. And do not forget to subscribe, share, and like my videos. Thank you very much.
Right now we are at Valley of Flowers, inside the whole valley, and the whole group has summited and everyone is here. Done Valley of Flowers.